are. So you're telling me this is the file manager? What is this? Bro, why didn't it answer? Why didn't it answer, bro? This fish is cooked. Species Excel. What? What the is that? Why is this VM is so damn unstable? Yeah, I'm just telling you that Windows 10 is not that bad in a real PC, but in a VM. But if we are talking about a VM, then a Windows XP is faster than this from 2001. But in a VM, Windows XP is faster than this Windows 10, but in a real PC, if you downloaded Windows 10 in a real PC, then it will be really fast. Like my real PC is fast too. Have to wait that much for PowerShell is there. What is this, bro? Seriously. And the date this video is created is this 2005 0812. Oh, what the? Seriously, what is that? It basically PowerShell, but it is really better. Let's try some command like